Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can pay for Amazon Prime Video or how you can buy a subscription using a gift card. So let's get right into it. Firstly, as you can see, I'm on the main page of the Amazon Prime Video site. However, we'll be going over to the Amazon site since this is where we're going to be redeeming our gift card. To redeem a gift card, what you need to do from here is click on gift cards, and then from this menu you need to click on redeem Amazon gift cards. As you can see here, you can enter the code. I'm not sure what the code looks like, however I'm pretty sure it's a mixture of letters and digits. You just need to enter those without any dashes, as you can see here, and once you enter the code you just click apply to your balance, and then you can see money added to your balance here at the bottom. Once you've done that, what you're going to want to do is go to Prime Video and search for a subscription that you would like. As you can see, you have the store, you have to rent or buy, and you have deals. All you have to do is just find the actual subscription on Amazon and buy it using the money that you've just received. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.